In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automated email campaign with ActiveCampaign. Whether you're new to email marketing or just looking to refine your skills, this guide will help you navigate through ActiveCampaign's user-friendly platform to set up powerful email automations that work for you. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to create an ActiveCampaign account if you haven't already. Once you've set up your account and logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. Here, you'll notice a variety of tools and options, but for our purpose today, we want to focus on the left panel, which contains different categories of functionalities. Among these, you'll find automations. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're in the automations section, you'll want to create a new automation. Look for the Create an Automation button. Usually, it's quite prominent, as this is one of the main features of ActiveCampaign. Clicking this will take you to a new area within the platform, where the magic truly begins. ActiveCampaign refers to their automation frameworks as recipes. This culinary metaphor is quite fitting, as it suggests a mix of different ingredients, emails, conditions, triggers that come together to form a complete, automated email sequence. In the next step, you'll be able to browse through various recipes. These templates are available in different categories, which you can explore on the left-hand side. Take your time to browse, or if you're looking for something specific, utilize the search bar located above these categories. If you're feeling adventurous or want something tailored precisely to your needs, you might want to experiment with ActiveCampaign's AI tools. These tools can help you generate an automation that suits your business objectives or marketing goals by suggesting optimized workflows based on your inputs. Once you've chosen a recipe that fits your needs, selecting it will take you to the diagram editor. This is a powerful visual tool within ActiveCampaign that allows you to refine and personalize your automation sequence. Here, you can add or remove steps, set conditions, and tailor your messages to suit different segments of your audience. Take some time to tweak the template according to your preferences. Ensure everything from the email content to the timing of your automated messages aligns with your overall marketing strategy. And that's it. You've successfully set up an automated email campaign in ActiveCampaign. Remember that creating effective email automation is an ongoing process. As you gather data from your campaigns, you'll have opportunities to refine and improve them for even better results. By leveraging ActiveCampaign's recipes and editing tools, you can create engaging and targeted email communications that efficiently convert leads and delight your subscribers. Happy automating!